Hey, Mike Kim here. Hope you're doing well today. One of my favorite sayings when it comes to the world of work is to plan the work and then work the plan. Plan the work, then work the plan. One of the big things that we talk about here in Fully Funded Academy is to follow the plan. We have a 7-step plan, 7-step framework. And I want to share really quickly with you today our Missionary Support Raising Roadmap. We have completely revamped this, redesigned it, and it is absolutely free. You don't need to buy anything. Just go to fullyfundedacademy.com/roadmap and you can download your copy. We'll also include a couple of tips on how to use it. But for the purposes of today, I want to show this roadmap to you and walk you through some of these steps and why they are so important. Okay, you should now see the entire support raising roadmap. And the way this is wired is it's just simply asking you, where are you in the support raising process? And you can see these 7 steps: focus your vision, run your research, enlist your team, enhance your brand, deploy your team, organize your ask, and make your difference. These are all really, really step by step. The way that you think about this, one of the easiest ways to think about this is just like digits in a phone number, right? You can have the right digits, but if they're not in the right order, you're not dialed in. You dial the wrong number. And we have seen, after working with literally thousands of missionaries raising support, what they tend to do, what a lot of people tend to do is start at step 1, focus your vision, and then go to step 6, ask. And it's our job to fill in these other steps. Okay, so focus your vision. All of this, again, is outlined in our book. It's outlined inside our academy, inside our membership. We work through these steps with missionaries every single week. So just giving you an overview of this, just wanting to take you inside here. If I zoom in, okay, focus your vision, move on to the next step. If you've completed the following, you have a written mission statement. Why use this? You have a written vision statement. You have a written talent timeline. You have a written budget. These are the practical things that we want you to do in order to move to the next step. Run your research. You've followed 1 to 3 other missionaries who are successfully fully funded. If you don't know anyone, you can jump onto our YouTube channel. We have a bunch of interviews with missionaries we worked with that have gotten fully funded. You can you can watch the interview with Nora McNamara. You can watch with Gabe. I'll put all the links into the episode description here. Adam Strunz. Got so many people, and we're continuing to interview more and more people we've worked with inside Fully Funded Academy. So you want to, success leaves clues. So you want to follow those people and learn from them. Okay. And what we have found, sadly, is that not many a lot of missionaries don't know other missionaries who are fully funded. This is why we do the YouTube channels, why we record these interviews. We put them out here for you to not let this be an excuse. Okay. Learn from other people. So they're going to share their stories. If you can, reach out and have one-on-one conversations with them. One of the things we do a lot inside our Fully Funded Academy membership is that we invite these missionaries who've gotten fully funded to jump on our live calls so that our members can ask them these questions. So another big plus and upside to our membership, you've identified the path to become fully funded and you're committed to it. Enlist your team. Mary talks about this all the time. It is the number one reason why our missionaries get fully funded. They're not doing it alone. Support raising is not a solo sport. It's scripture, right? Cord 3 is not easily broken. We're not supposed to do these things on our own. We're all supposed to do these in community. So you're identifying natural leaders for your team. You're identifying people who are willing to invest their time, energy, and money into your team. You have a 1-page description. We call it this 1-pager to make it easy for your team members to invite other people to support you in your work. Okay. And you're going out and asking. Okay. So all of these steps are here. Enhance your brand, deploy your team, organize your ask, make your difference. This is going to give you an overview. You can see our design team made these little check boxes. These little circles that you can fill in, just print this out, check it off when you've done it. And this is to condense we have a lot of information in our book, inside the Fully Funded book. A lot of information inside of our membership, inside the Fully Funded Academy. We wanted to distill this down, make it super simple for you to follow. Print this out, put it on your wall. We've had so many missionaries over the years do this with our other older versions, and we wanted to give this a facelift and refresh this a little bit. So if you don't have a copy, go ahead and download it, fullyfundedacademy.com/roadmap. You can also, while you're on that, that'll get you on our email list, and you'll be up to date on any new resources, insights, free master classes that we host throughout the year. And you can unsubscribe anytime, okay, from the newsletter. So no harm, no foul. Go out and get this. It's super simple. This will help you make sense of all the things that you got to get done. Plan the work the plan. We've tried to plan the work for you. Go grab your copy and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean a lot to us if you would like the video, if you would subscribe to the YouTube channel. It helps us get word out about what we do. We want to reach as many people as we possibly can with these resources to help them, help people just like you raise money for their ministry, raise money for what God's called you to do. So it mean a lot to us if you would subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay. Enjoy the roadmap. See you soon.